If you ever need help with your Bluehost account, website, or hosting plan, the fastest way to get answers is through Bluehost's Help Center. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bluehost's Help Center for support, how to find the right self-service articles, and how to connect with live support when you need a real person. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. First, open your browser and go to the official Bluehost help page by typing bluehost.com/help into the search bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the Bluehost knowledge base, which is the self-service support area. This is where Bluehost keeps articles, guides, tutorials, and troubleshooting steps for common issues. Now, if you already know what you need help with, use the search bar at the top of the help page, type in your issue, your question, or the feature you're trying to use. For example, you might search for something like domain setup, email issues, WordPress installation, SSL certificates, or billing questions. The search results will show you recommended help articles that match your topic. Take a moment to browse through the suggestions carefully. Bluehost often provides step-by-step documentation, and in some cases, video tutorials that walk you through the process visually. This is one of the best ways to solve simple problems on your own without waiting for support. If you don't find the answer right away, try using slightly different keywords. Sometimes, a more specific search term works better, especially if you're looking for something technical. For example, instead of typing just email, try set up email forwarding or change MX records. The more specific you are, the better your results will usually be. Now let's say you still need help after checking the articles. That's when you can contact live support. On Bluehost, you can usually find the chat bubble icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. In some areas of the dashboard, you may also see a question mark or help icon. Click either one to start a support conversation. When the chat opens, Bluehost may connect you with an automated virtual assistant first. This is normal. Go ahead and type a short description of your issue so the system can understand what you need. Keep it simple and clear. For example, you could say, "I need help with my website," or "I'm having an issue with my domain." If you want to reach a real support agent, type phrases like "speak to an agent" or "human" into the chat prompt. In many cases, this helps move you past the automated responses and into a live support flow. After that, click Connect if the option appears. Once you're connected, be ready to provide any requested account verification details. You may also be asked for your domain name, a short explanation of the issue, or any error messages you're seeing. The more details you provide, the faster the support agent can understand your problem and help you troubleshoot it. That's really the best way to use Bluehost's Help Center effectively. Start with the knowledge base, search for your issue, review the recommended guides, and then move to live chat if you still need assistance. It's a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time and get you back to managing your website faster. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Bluehost tutorials or website support guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.